Oh my gosh, I'm looking for Asia. It's very hard to find Asia right now. Where is he? Where is he? Oh. Oh, come on! You are there!
You got
My
me again.
God!
How can you know where?
You are hiding from me? My
No, I'm
gosh.
not.
What
I'm
are you doing there?
just looking for a plant here. For a wild plant. That's me.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What for?
No matter. Just forget it.
Oh,
It is
you're
my hobby,
foraging, yeah?
Yeah. Just foraging. My hobby,
Your hobby
You're
is
coming here
foraging.
for my promise, right?
Yeah,
That I want to show you something.
yeah. I come for you, and you want to show me something that interesting?
Really interesting. And you know what, guys? We're gonna make the mother of the fungi here.
The mother of fungi?
That's right.
Oh my
We're
gosh.
gonna make an isolate for it.
Oh, I should
Yeah.
to get the mother of fungi?
That's right. It's also the first experiment that I have for making a fungi, guys.
Mm,
Mainly
yeah,
we
I
make a
see.
bacteria, right?
Mm-hmm.
But now we make a fungi or fungus.
Fungus. What is it called?
Wait, I will tell you after it, But wait,
Oh
look at it.
my god.
I can hide here.
Yeah.
I can hold my attention to go here because look at it.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, you're
It's
right.
such a wonderful desire that God have
Oh
shown
yeah.
us, right?
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
And also look at that,
Oh,
our premium
that's
avocado.
yeah.
There's
Oh,
many
it's
here.
getting birds flowers here, guys.
Yeah, there's many flower here.
Oh yeah. This is because you
Spraying it.
applicate it with an organic fertilizer.
That's right. We only
Right?
use organic here, guys. And you know what, guys? The more amazing fact is, we
Yeah.
use organic, so we didn't harm any Mother Nature, right?
Yeah.
So Mother Nature will give us with the best result of it.
Oh, I see. I see.
That's why normally in the avocado garden there's many worms, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's many caterpillar.
Yeah.
But in here, there isn't any caterpillar here.
There's only birds.
There's only birds and singing bugs, I guess.
Oh,
It's cicada
yeah.
here. There's many cicada here.
Cicada?
Yeah.
Oh,
And
yeah.
it's pretty relaxing, And especially the ambience here,
Yeah, you're right.
the
You're right.
environment.
Oh, yeah.
You can meditate here, guys, if you want.
Yeah. Someday.
Yeah, someday. But let's get back to the point here.
Yeah.
I want to show you something
What's that?
because it's our first experiment here.
Yeah.
It's my first time experiment.
Oh.
So in this video, I will make 2 of it. So we're gonna compare the result,
Oh, so that's why you make it too?
That's right.
To make it
To make
compare it?
comparison, because it's the first time, guys, and the ingredients to make it, it's really easy.
Easy to find?
Easy to find. You can find it everywhere.
Oh my
In your home, there's
gosh.
many.
I'm so curious right now if you say that. My
You curious about
gosh.
it?
Yeah.
But wait, I'm still trying to enjoy all the
Oh
relaxing
my
moment
god.
here.
You make me
Wait.
cannot wait,
I also still testing my sharpness, My
Yeah.
knife sharpness. And it's really sharp now. Look at it.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
You can wait any longer, right?
Yeah.
That's why your face just mad when I say
Yes, that's why I just want to know about what
the-
a new invention that you want to show me.
because I have a promise to you, right?
Yeah.
And when I say, oh my god, wait, I need to have some relaxing time, your face is just, oh my god, you make me wait again.
Yeah.
Come here.
That's it.
Follow me.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I have already prepared all of it.
Oh yeah.
Look at it.
What's that?
Use a plastic here.
Plastic?
Yeah, because
What is the function of the plastic
it's
that
really
you want?
important,
Oh yeah.
Because this fungi
Mm-hmm.
didn't need a sunlight.
Oh.
And the sunlight can kill the fungi here.
The fungi is so shy
That's right. You got the joke there. It's so shy,
because he don't want to see the sunlight, right?
That's right, because it's like a cherry lady.
Oh, cherry lady, you would never cease. Oh my gosh.
And also,
What's
it's
that?
like a psycho killer by Talking Heads.
What's that?
It's a song, by Talking
Oh,
Heads.
talking head. Yeah.
I'm one of the fan of Talking Heads, especially the vocalist. Oh,
Oh my
it's
gosh.
crazy.
Crazy.
It's insane.
Oh, what's that?
Here's the place that I have already prepared
Oh,
for
why
shopping.
you choose this place to make it
Okay.
the invention that you want to show me?
There isn't any sunlight here, so it's safe.
Yeah.
It's safe from, and also it's safe from the sunlight. That's the main
Oh,
point there.
that's main point is safe
So-
from the sunlight.
Our fungi is not died.
Oh, and it's growing faster, I think.
It's growing faster, of course, because after that, I will wrap it here. And I have
Oh,
already made some sample here.
yeah.
It's the first layer here.
What media that you want to use it?
I use a plastic media here, and
Oh,
the below part
yeah.
is the first ingredient, guys. It's a bamboo leaves.
Bamboo leaf
Yeah, it's
to
for the
make
starter because
fungi.
this fungi live in bamboo leaves also. If you can see it
Oh,
here.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Wait, I will pick up the most visible one.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Oh, yeah. That's it.
Yeah, this one.
That's a fungi.
It's a fungi. And you know the name of it, guys?
Yeah.
It's Trichoderma. Yeah,
Trichoderma.
Trichoderma, that's great.
Oh, this is a fungus called trichoderma.
That's right, Trichoderma.
Oh my gosh.
Look
So now you want to make some mother of
Mother.
trichoderma?
That's right. We want to make isolate for it.
Oh
And I have
yeah.
already prepared one sample here.
Yeah.
So the first one,
Yeah.
you need to make
What's that?
it's a bamboo leaf here.
Yeah.
The below part.
Yeah.
So we're gonna fill it with the second ingredients after it.
Oh, second ingredient?
Yeah, second ingredients.
And the main ingredient
It's the
is-
main
is a-
ingredients because it's the food for the fungi.
Oh, the
Yeah.
food
Of
and the
fungi.
place
That's right.
for the fungi to live there.
That's right. And you know, guys, it's almost the same like wait, Sacrobacillus cerevisiae
Oh, Saccharobacillus
Yeah.
cerevisiae.
or the I forgot what is it, but it used for fermenting an alcohol and also fermented
Oh,
cassava.
yeah.
If you love wine, you know about it, right?
Yeah, yeah, I know that. I know that.
Sacrobacillus cerevisiae is almost the same like that. It's the carbohydrate.
It's the carbohydrate.
That's right.
Oh my
And it didn't need
God.
any oxygen
Yeah.
because it just need and wait not hydro, but I forgot what is it, carbon dioxide to live there, and here and oxygen, and also a dark place.
A dark place.
Yeah. So the fungi
fungi is
grow massively, and the
Oh.
amount of population of it
Yeah.
more faster,
oh my
more
gosh.
bigger. Like our country
Yeah.
that have a lot of people.
Okay. I can wait any longer to show that.
I think I am
to
too
see
much
you that
talking, right?
Yeah. So
Yeah. It's the main ingredient, guys. It's the food for the fungi.
what is that?
Come here.
I'm curious, you know. Oh, you still cover it, so
I will refill it now, guys.
yeah.
Because it's really common to see
Oh, yeah.
everybody. I think you already eat it also, guys.
What is that?
It's the most popular carbs in Asia.
What's that? Oh my God. Too much talking to you guys. You not show me
It's rice.
directly?
I
Oh.
already show you directly, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Rice.
What?
It's rice.
Rice?
That's why I said it's carbohydrate. Because rice also contains a carbohydrate, right?
Oh, rice can be used to make a mother of fungi that's
That's
called
right.
trichoderma.
That's right.
Oh my.
It's not making the mother, but it can be the food resource of the fungi.
Oh, I see.
But you already got the right point there.
Yeah.
That's really great.
Yeah.
But I will try to correct you.
Yeah, yeah.
That's good.
That's good. That's good.
So-
Thank you.
I'm here.
Okay.
One
So,
second.
oh,
It's really easy, guys. You just need to
what's that?
put
Oh.
it here. One.
This is rice.
That's right.
Yeah.
Just rice.
Okay.
We make like a meatball shape like this.
Mm-hmm.
Especially when you have a hot rice.
Yeah.
You can shape it pretty easily, right?
Okay.
And just shape it like meatballs like this. You put it here like this. But guys, before you make it like this,
Mhm.
you must dry it up the bamboo leaves before.
Oh. So
Before
it's
you
not
make it.
contain water, right?
That's right. So also the Trichoderma is growing more massively and more happily here.
Oh yeah.
So
yeah.
we put it like this. Look at it.
Okay.
Maybe I will put 6 of it here
Okay.
because we have 2 and I already calculate it's already 13.
Oh
so
yeah.
we must separate it. It's already 4 here. Look at it.
Let's see.
It's like a food, guys. Look at it.
Oh yeah, yeah. All right. It's easy to make, I think.
That's right.
It's only that the first layer is about the bamboo leaf. Oh, and
And
then
also,
you.
it have a function, really good function, guys.
What's that function?
It's for the biological fertilizer for the soil.
Oh my gosh.
And also it can be a decomposer, guys.
Decomposer
Yeah.
too?
Just like in previous video,
Yeah.
we make EM4 by organic materials, right?
Yeah.
This one can be a decomposer also
Alright.
because it's content of fungi, right?
Okay.
Look at it. I said it's 6 here.
Yeah.
Get it?
Oh,
Pretty sticky.
sticky, right?
You can also use a sticky rice,
Yeah.
or in here we call it ketan.
Yeah.
You can use that because it's shaped more easily.
Yeah.
And next one, guys, we cover it.
Oh. You will cover it again?
That's right. So we have 2 layers of bamboo leaves here
Yeah.
and 1 layer of rice.
Rice. Oh,
So
you
that-
just make one example, yeah?
Yeah. I will make 2 here.
Oh, two.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this.
All right. Put it there
Yeah, I'll put it
and
here.
cover it.
That's right. So the bacteria, not bacteria, is
The fungus. The fungi.
Yeah, the fungi will grow more happier.
Yeah, from below and from above.
That's right.
Oh, because
We
it's,
face it upside down like this, guys. So the microbes here, the
Yeah,
fungi,
yeah.
will steadily goes into the
oh yeah,
the rice.
that's right. That's right. That's right. Oh, too much mosquito is here.
yeah, too much mosquito, but it's not a dangerous mosquito, guys,
Oh,
because it's pretty clean place,
yeah.
and I think they need a flood for mating season. It's
Oh,
also a rainy season here,
yeah,
so many
yeah.
mosquito comes out for mating.
Oh, I see.
We need 3 or 4 here.
To cover it.
Yeah, to cover it. That's right.
Oh, it's easy to make.
It's really easy, and it's showing the result pretty fast.
It's about how many days that we can use.
Maybe a week.
Yeah.
Can be a week.
That's right. Can be a week because we will be shown of fungi, right?
Yeah. That's also many person that goes fishing there.
Yeah,
It's a fishing session here. Look at it. It's already done like this.
yeah.
So we cover it again.
Okay.
Okay. So there isn't any oxygen here. Look at it. It's already done like this.
Okay.
And we cover it with these most important things to do,
Yeah.
because we didn't want any sunlight goes here, right?
Yeah.
With the plastic, of course, with the black plastic,
Okay.
because it reflects the sunlight,
All right.
and didn't use, but didn't travel the sunlight into the microbes there,
Yeah.
so it's more easy. We do it like this, guys.
Okay. Oh, and we put it in a shady place, right?
Shady place, of course, for weeks.
Oh, it's done.
It's pretty easy to make.
Oh, yeah.
I will show you from the first, because I have already made an example for it, right?
Yeah.
So I will make it from the first here with this bottle. Look at it.
Yeah.
There's many person there that goes fishing, I guess.
Probably.
Yeah, because there is a river down there,
Yeah.
and it's pretty. It's not disturbing. It's just pretty noise,
Yeah.
making background noise. There is the reality of rural life, guys. Especially when you live in middle of nowhere like this.
Okay. So you will make the other ones
Yeah, the other ones.
to make comparing it,
That's right. Comparison
comparison for the
for
one
the,
box
one-
to second box.
That's right.
Okay.
Oh yeah, guys. I almost forget that if you already have some water to it,
Mm-hmm.
you just need a cotton buds for it. You wrap it a little bit
Mm-hmm.
and put it in another rice, so
Mhm.
it will grow.
Oh.
If you already have a mother of it, that's
Yeah.
why here in this video I want to make the mother,
Yeah.
because it's the first time for me.
And then after that, you want to show us how to make it more,
More.
after we get the mother of the fungi.
That's right, the fungi, the fungus, or the mushroom.
Yeah.
It's different, guys. Mushroom and plant is really different. Because mushroom
Okay.
is I forget, it's a one cell or something like that.
Yeah.
because they have a system, like a system.
Yeah.
Everybody is getting connected.
Okay.
Maybe like this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Get it?
Oh, this is the second one.
It's the second one. So we put it here. 6 of it.
6 of it.
Rice mix.
All right. Okay. Oh, that's it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, I'm fasting. You know.
Oh.
I'm fasting. I will not eat it. So it's done like this, and we covered it like before, guys.
Oh yeah.
With a banana, no banana. I forgot it. With a bamboo
Bamboo.
leaves again.
Bamboo leaf. Okay.
And I think many person didn't know about it. Trichoderma.
Yeah. How to get the isolate, right?
That's right.
And you know that, and you explain to
That's right, because I don't
others.
want to keep my own knowledge by myself. I
Oh,
want to spread it. So many people will get help for it.
and they can make it by their own.
Yeah, that's right. And also it can be sold, guys.
Oh,
Like I mentioned before,
yeah,
about the function is pretty a lot, right?
yeah. I agree that, guys.
So we must make it like this. So it's all covered. Oh my god. Okay,
It's almost done.
it's already done. So the last part is we cover it
You cover it.
with a plastic bag.
Why you use the black one inside?
Because like I mentioned before, it reflects the sunlight. The silver one is the function for reflecting,
Yeah.
and the black one
Mhm.
is not for the heat transfer.
Oh yeah.
So it's all going to be safe here.
All right. Oh, so you have a two
Yeah, for comparison,
comparison,
this
right?
one is going to be success.
Yeah.
This one, guys, look at it. We got 2 of it in just several minutes. We already make it 2 like this, and the ingredient is really easy to find.
Yeah.
It's organic, guys.
Yeah.
There's many farming store that sell it. But
Yeah.
it's all of it chemicals.
Oh.
They use a different materials, I guess.
Okay.
Because I also read it can be used termite ants or not termite
Yeah.
ants. Termite nice. It
Mhm.
can be used for it,
Yeah.
but we're not doing that. It's the most easiest things to make. It's the most easiest material to get. There's many things that more easier if we know it by ourselves,
All
not
right.
getting controlled by the theory, you know.
Yeah.
Because theory is
I
just
agree.
50%, I guess.
Yeah.
50% and not 50%. In my opinion, it's just 30%,
Yeah.
and the next 70% is practical.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because you know what, guys, there's many person that have a theory but fail
Yeah.
because it's just theory, not a fact. Just theoretical, not fact.
Yeah. 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 I know that.
That's great, guys. So I hope all of you get a new knowledge today, and don't forget to subscribe if you found our channel interesting.
Yeah.
If you found our channel helpful,
Yeah.
you can subscribe it. And it's Alanusa signing out. We'll see you in the next agenda.